Unlocking English. Understanding. Touch up. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of English language and learning. Today, we have a special treat for you. We're going to explore the meaning, usage, and nuances of the phrase, touch up. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English skills, you're in the right place. The phrase, touch up, is a compound noun that combines two words, touch and up. On its own, touch refers to the action of coming into contact with something lightly or gently. Up, in this context, adds a sense of improvement or enhancement. When combined, touch up refers to making small improvements or corrections to something that is mostly fine but just needs a little bit of work. 2.1 In beauty and personal care, touch up is commonly used in the realm of beauty and personal care. For instance, I just need a quick touch up on my makeup before we go out. After a few weeks, my hair color needs a touch up to keep it looking fresh. 2.2 In art and restoration. In the context of art and restoration, touch up might be used like this. The painting is almost restored. It just needs a few touch-ups on the corners. This old piece of furniture will look as good as new with a little touch-up. 2.3 In general maintenance. Touch-up can also apply to general maintenance tasks. The walls are in good condition. They just need a touch-up of paint here and there. This report is excellent. It just needs a few touch-ups before it's ready to submit. Touch up implies that the item or subject is already in good condition and only requires minimal work to perfect it. It's about fine-tuning and making small adjustments to achieve the desired result. And that's a wrap on touch up. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and use of this handy phrase for you. Remember, language is a beautiful journey, and every step you take to understand and use it better is a victory. Keep practicing, stay curious, and until next time, happy learning.